Hello children, welcome to the second video of the chapter birth of the United Nations. Today I am going to discuss about United Nations Organization UNO, its main objectives of United Nations, Universal Declaration of Human Rights, membership of UNO, and what is the symbol of United Nations. So first I will discuss about United Nations Organization, that is UNO. It's short form UNO, United Nations Organization. United Nations came into being on 24th October 1945 at San Francisco in the USA. The Charter of the United Nations was signed by 51 nations. India was one of them. Among these 51 nations, India was there. 24th October is celebrated as the UN Day throughout the world every year. At present, the UN has 191 members. Earlier, when it was signed, first how many nations were there? 51 nations. But at present, the UN has 191 members. The headquarters of the UN are situated at New York in the United States of America. Now, have some knowledge about the main objectives of United Nations. First one, to maintain international peace and security, to promote friendly relations and cooperation among the nations of the world, to solve social, economic, cultural and humanitarian problems peacefully in cooperation with every nation, to protect human rights and basic freedom all over the world irrespective of caste, color, creed, sex or language. And the last point, to achieve these objectives, the UN issued a Declaration of Human Rights. It was adopted on 10th December 1948. That is why this day is celebrated as the Human Rights Day every year. So children, these are the objectives of UN. Now let's come to our next point, that is Universal Declaration of Human Rights. As some of the important rights were declared by UN. Now let's have some knowledge about that. The right to live as free citizens, equality before the law, the right to education and employment, the right to travel anywhere according to one's choice, the right to freedom of worship, equal pay for equal work, no discrimination based on religion or sex, freedom of speech and writing, freedom to marry according to one's wish. These were the declaration made by the UN. So my next point is membership of UN. So for any country, what are the criteria to be a member of UN? So let's come to know about this. Peace loving and willing to accept the aims, objectives and rules of the UN Charter. Just by the UN as being able to carry out these aims and objectives recommended by the UN Security Council for the membership, its membership must be confirmed by the UN General Assembly by a 2/3 majority vote. So these are the criteria for being a member of UN. So children, look at this picture. What is this picture? This is the flag of UN. The symbol of the United Nations is a world map surrounded by olive branches. Look at this picture. These are the olive branches. The olive branches are a symbol of peace. So children, this is all about this chapter, Birth of the United Nations, and in today's video we came across the main objectives of United Nations, Universal Declaration of Human Rights, membership of UN, and the symbol of United Nations. So thank you children for watching this video.